Welcome to the Rich TV show right here exclusively on Stockhouse. And what did I tell you? I said the Fed was going to lower rates and the markets would boom, and that's exactly what has happened. What else has boomed? Bitcoin. What else is booming? Gold. So, wow, what a time to be alive and what a time to be an investor. I hope you are taking it and taking that money all the way to the bank. All right, let's talk about some new IPOs. How about Gemini? A new crypto exchange IPO, GEMI, just opened up. Put it on your radar and put it on your watch list. See how all these companies are getting into Bitcoin? And guess what I talk about every day? Guess what I own? Guess what I invest in? Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been unbelievable. I was looking at my wallet. In the last year and a half, my Bitcoin holdings are up 174%. That's pretty good. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about Bitcoin and what is coming. And there is so much opportunities. And there's a lot of opportunities right now in Triller, ILLR, which is a social media company that has been hot. It's a penny stock, very volatile, but put them on your radar and put them on your watch list. How about the deal that Intel, INTC, just inked with Nvidia? Nvidia took a $5 billion stake in Intel. Intel explodes over 30%. Nvidia's up as well. We love Nvidia as an AI play, the number one AI play in the world, number one chip maker in the world, and they keep growing quarter over quarter. And we believe Nvidia goes to $200, currently at around 175, up 3% in the day. So I love Nvidia, and they just took a $5 billion stake in INTC Intel. So definitely you need to put Intel on your radar and on your watch list. Now, gold, there's a lot of gold stocks doing well. AUST, put them on your radar and on your watch list. They are hot. They just hit a 52-week high, and they also need to be on your radar. How about ride-sharing stocks like Lyft, LYFT? They just hit a 52-week high. They're hot. Put them on your radar and on your watch list. Speaking of 52-week highs, Google, GOOGL, they just hit a 52-week high. Put them on your radar, put them on your watch list. So many hot stocks right now to talk about, and it's because the Fed just lowered rates in the United States, and in Canada, they also lowered rates. So definitely a time to be putting money into the markets, but everything is really high, lots of all-time highs across the board. So make sure you're taking profits because we don't know how long this will last. In saying that, with the Fed probably lowering rates 2 more times this year, I think we could have good runway for at least the next few months to have the market stay really hot. And we're going into Bitcoin parabolic season over the next 60 days. So I believe that Bitcoin will continue to stay hot. And why not gold continue to stay hot? Because gold's been hot all year. So most likely we will be hot for the next few months and probably until the end of the year. My prediction is Bitcoin does hit its peak mid-November. That's when I plan to take profits on my Bitcoin holdings and really all my cryptos. But we could see the momentum carry on until the end of the year. So don't worry, we'll be here every step of the way here on Rich TV, breaking down what's going on in the market and making sure you get undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed opportunities first and really hot stocks, okay? Talking about AI as well, how about Palantir, PLTR? We love Palantir. They just closed a $1.5 billion deal with the military in the UK. So you need to put Palantir on your radar and on your watch list. And how about Tesla? We talked about Tesla on the last episode. Tesla is on fire because Elon Musk just bought $1 billion worth of shares. That's right. He bought $1 billion worth of shares. And how about banking stocks? They're all hot too. Morgan Stanley MS hitting a 52-week high. Now, I must remind you that everything we talk about here on the Rich TV show is strictly for information and education purposes. Please do your due diligence and do your research before you invest in anything we talk about or discuss here on the show. And remember, past performance is not always an indication of future results, and I do not hold the markets up for you to take profits. My advice for you is lock in your greens. Also, if you're not winning, you're probably not watching. We're bringing the winners, CEO interviews, breaking news, trending topics in the world of finance first every single week right here exclusively on Stockhouse. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next week.